Every single clip you just watched was generated using AI. No camera, no actors, no VFX team. And honestly, I had absolutely zero experience making commercials, but a business owner still paid me $500 for one. And the crazy part is, this changes everything. Because just a year ago, creating ads like this would cost thousands of dollars. You needed cameras, lighting, actors, editors, VFX artists. But now, you can literally sit in your room, type a prompt, and create commercial-level videos using AI. And the tool I used for this is called Seedance 2.0 inside Higgsfield AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you how beginners can make videos like this, how you can potentially sell them to businesses, and why Seedance honestly feels ahead of most AI video generators I've tested. Most AI video generators still struggle with consistency. You get weird faces, melting objects, broken motion, fake-looking physics. But Seedance 2.0 feels different. The motion actually looks natural. Camera movement feels cinematic. Lighting reacts properly. Even fast scenes don't completely fall apart. And honestly, the biggest difference is that it understands commercial-style visuals really well. Like, this literally looks like a real Instagram advertisement. One thing that surprised me even more than the quality was the pricing. Because usually with AI video tools, you either get amazing quality with horrible pricing, or cheap pricing with terrible results. But Seedance is actually one of the cheapest high-end AI video models right now, and this matters way more than people think. Because if you're generating videos consistently, or especially if you want to sell AI commercials to clients, your generation cost matters. The cheaper your generations are, the higher your profit margins become. And when you're testing prompts, regenerating shots, or building entire ads, that adds up fast. And that's why I genuinely think this creates a huge opportunity right now. Because you don't actually need clients to start. You can literally create fake commercials for local businesses, then upload them on an Instagram page, and start DMing business owners. Something simple like, hey, I made this AI commercial for your business for free. If you want more videos like this every month, let's work. And trust me, most small businesses still have terrible marketing. So if you show them something cinematic like this, you instantly stand out. So let me show you exactly how I made these. First mistake beginners make, they write terrible prompts. They type coffee ad and expect Hollywood results. But instead, you need to describe camera style, lighting, atmosphere, motion, mood. And to make this even easier, I've actually provided a master prompt link in the description. So you can literally paste it into ChatGPT and ask for any commercial you want, like create a cinematic cafe commercial for a brand called XYZ, or create a luxury car advertisement. Then just upload your reference images or videos, paste the generated prompt into Seedance, and you're basically ready to go. The craziest part is, you no longer need to know filmmaking to start creating videos that actually look expensive. Now open Higgsfield AI and go to the video section. Then select Seedance 2.0, and this is where things get powerful. You can combine text prompts, images, videos, and even audio references in a single generation. And that's one of the reasons Seedance feels so good for storytelling and commercial work. Now, this is the secret most beginners ignore: reference images. If you want your generations to actually look cinematic, don't rely only on text. Upload product photos, lighting references, environment references, car photos, cafe interiors, and suddenly your outputs become way more controllable. And hit generate. The first time I saw these results, I genuinely couldn't believe this was AI. And because generations are relatively affordable compared to most cinematic AI tools, you can actually afford to experiment. That's the biggest advantage beginners have right now: volume. The more ideas you test, the faster your videos start looking professional. And if you're wondering how to actually make money with this, here's what I would personally do. Option 1. Create an Instagram page uploading cinematic AI ads daily. Option 2. Offer AI commercial creation on Fiverr or Upwork. Option 3. DM local businesses. And the best part, you no longer need expensive gear. A business owner doesn't care how you made the video, they care if it grabs attention. And cinematic AI content grabs attention. So yeah, we're entering a really weird time because the gap between beginners and professionals is shrinking insanely fast. And tools like Seedance are making things possible that honestly weren't realistic even a year ago. So if you want to experiment with AI filmmaking or potentially start a business with it, now is probably the worst time to ignore. So feel free to generate your first free video on Higgsfield AI. Just click the first link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, and I'll test more insane AI tools like this. See you in the next one.